Hi everybody, it's Brian Rehoff at Custom Classics. Here with me today is a beautiful 63 Pro Touring Corvette. Let's go over some of the details on this particular car. It's got a beautiful urethane base coat clear. Stripes are hidden under the clear coat. Finished really well and nice and laser straight. They did a great job and attention to detail on the chrome and trim like that. It has a Alnox interior. We all know that those fit really well and look really good. So the seats are nice and tight, the carpet's done well. So as far as aesthetics and details like that, it's got it all going on there. Let's talk a little bit about the drivetrain on this particular car. It has a ZZ6 350 crate engine in it, which is putting out 405 horsepower. We all know we can get in a lot of trouble in one of these lightweight cars with 400 horse. So that'll be a lot of fun. It's got a 336 posi rear end in it. That's a nice driving highway gear. It is an automatic. It's got a 700 R4 in it, so you'll be able to run down the highway doing some really great speeds and not costing you a ton on gas. Other nice details on this car, I love the Foose wheels on this. It's got a great look, the chrome with the rest of the chrome and the trim on the car. It has, as you'll see in our webpage, it's got a beautiful red cloth top. Really looks stunning when it goes up. Power windows on this car. So if you get caught out in the rain, it's a couple of quick clicks. The top's up, windows up, and you don't have to worry about it. This car is a recipient of a frame-off restoration. Those you'll see as well on the webpage, where you can put the thing up in the air, and we've got good pictures of it. Somebody went through, blasted and painted the frame. It's got nice tubular control arms on the front and all new ball joints and tie rod-ons, as well as some nice tubular rear trailing arms. It also has four-wheel Wellwood disc brakes all the way around. That's another thing that everybody likes to see and likes to have on a pro touring car. So it's done the way they should be done without spending ridiculous crazy money and breaking the bank on it. So it's a great summertime car, gets a lot of looks when it's out there, and this one I don't think will stick around here very long just because of its looks and where it's priced and what went into this car. So it's pretty much all there on stuff that everybody wants. So look us up on our webpage and check us out on all our socials as well. Thank you. Thanks for watching.